I'm Emery. Welcome back to DataViz on the Go, the series where you learn DataViz time savers inside everyday software like Excel. And in this video, you're going to learn what theme colors are, in case that term's new to you. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set them up. Okay, theme colors are presets. It's how you get your brand colors into your graphs. It's not the only way, but it's the most efficient way. You can use them as font colors. So when you go to change your font, they're there. These are Anne Emery's Depict Data Studio colors. So you could change the font to brand purple, for example. You can use them in fill colors. You go up to the paint can, you select one of your true brand colors or a lighter version or a darker version of your brand colors. You can use them in icons. So let's say you want to insert a brand new icon. Which one are we going to use today? I don't know, like the number one. I love the simple symbols for grouping information. Now, by default, this is going to be 1 inch by 1 inch and black, but maybe you want it to be brand purple or blue or green. Your company colors would be filled in here, not mine. You can also use them for uppercase T Excel tables, pivot tables, charts, and slicers. So let's look at an example in case that's new to you. Okay, I'm pretending that we're keeping track of how many pounds of fruit we've harvested from these different fruit trees. Now, I do have all of these fruit trees in my backyard in Florida. I love backyard gardening, but I do not keep track of how many pounds of fruit we're growing. I'm way too busy for that. So we're just playing pretend here. Okay, let's add an uppercase T Excel table, just like we normally would. Insert table. And by default, it's going to fill in with the first brand color, brand purple. But of course, you can change that. You could change it from brand purple to blue or green, or I don't know, maybe this one kind of makes my eyes hurt the least out of all of those colors. Let's say you want to tally this up with a pivot table. We're going to go up to Insert, Pivot Table, and let's put it, right down here, okay? If you have questions about how to use pivot tables, Excel tables, any of this, let me know. I just want you to see where things are going to show up. Let's do a simple drag and drop, tally up fruit trees by year, sum up by how many pounds harvested. What shows up? Brand colors, brand purple by default. Now, you can change this at any point. You go up to design, pick one of the presets, or go to new and create your own with the color usage that you like. Ooh, not that one. That's terrible. Maybe like one of the simple ones. That's fine. Okay. Let's say you want to graph this. Same idea. You insert a graph. We've got patterns over time. Let's do a line chart. It's going to be a spaghetti line chart. It's all crisscrossy and zigzaggy and awful and busy, but you recognize the brand colors filled in. Now, Excel gives you 6 presets, but we have more than 6 lines here. So what it's doing is giving us similar colors. This is dark brand purple, dark brand green, dark brand blue. Now, this graph is a little busy, so let's add a slicer so we can slice and dice and see some patterns easier. So I'm going to click on the chart, go to Insert, add a slicer. We'll slice by the fruit tree, and I think you know what's going to show up by default. It is our first brand color, purple in my case. And then you can slice and you can dice. Stick around for the next video. I'm going to show you how to set up your theme colors. It's really fast. It's really easy. I think you're going to love it.